Hi everybody, it's Garbo here from OMB Event Venues, and today we're at Altea Active. We're bringing you another very great experience that you can enjoy with your colleagues. Let's go check it out. Altea's state-of-the-art urban playground combines great food, entertainment, and wellness so members can play, stay, and sweat all day. This is Altea's urban playground, and with your experience package, you'd be able to enjoy all of the facilities here along with a light reception inside the Catalyst restaurant. Inside the urban playground, there's even a bowling alley. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check it out. Amazing is it that there's an indoor bowling alley inside this urban playground? Aside from fun arcade games and bowling, Altea also offers private rooms where you can play virtual sports. What a fun afternoon. After you and your colleagues are finished with the urban playground, it's time to refuel your body inside the Catalyst restaurant. If you're looking for a fun place to host your next corporate social, Altea is the place to be. Get in touch with an event specialist today to start booking.